What is up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm finally back with another video. It is about 10:32 in the morning, and I just got something delivered in the mail, and here it is. Are y'all ready? And bam, my wheel spacers are finally here. 25 millimeter wheel spacers. So the gap should definitely disappear. So I guess I'm about to go ahead and put those on. The earlier the better. I do work today. 10:33, see? Alrighty. Yep. They're from Titan Wheel Accessories. And they were about 67 on eBay. So not too bad. There was some close to I would have got wheel spacers sooner. But there was a lady that had some like close to where I live, but she was charging $140 for them. And I found a need. I was gonna get them until I found these on eBay for like 67. So I was like, I already saved money. I've already been waiting to find the right wheel spacer. So what? Who cares if I wait a little more? I'd rather save money than spend $140. You know what I'm saying? This is doing car miles on a budget, bro. But they look perfect, man. I'm happy. I finally got them. One of my friends said my Challenger looked like a hover car. Brandon. But here they go. They look good. And I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. I'm about to go outside right now. I'll probably film just me doing one of them. Because, of course, it's just simple. You put it onto the hub. Screw them on pretty tight. And then you put the wheel on top, then you screw the wheel. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. But I will do that one. I don't know, I'll probably start with the back wheels because they're wider than the front wheels. I want to see how they how they do a good difference. See the difference between that and the front of that and the other side. But let me go ahead and go outside, put on the jacket and shorts, show y'all the wheel gap that I got right now, the before, and then I'll do the video of the after. So hold up, I'll be right back. Hope y'all ready, man, because I am ready. Alright, I'm back, JJLEE squad, and here is the wheel gap. Pretty much, it's about, it's not too bad in the bad because it's 275 40 20s. So, it's alright, but it's 275 40 20s in the back with a 20 by 10 offset. And these are 20 by 9s in the front with the 245 45 20. So, it's a decent amount, but I think the wheel spacers will either make it flush or, have it out enough to where it looks like, a regular Demon or a regular Hellcat. But, yep, good thing I cleaned my car yesterday, too. So, I was ready. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, follow me on Instagram. But, yep, I'm ready. There you go. I am going to go in and tighten each of these screws again too while I'm taking the wheel off. There go my new jack, 5,000 pounds, and I'm ready. There you go. So that's the before, and I will get back to y'all when I got the wheel off and have the spacer on the wheel. JJLEE squad, spacer's on here. I'm gonna put this wheel on here real quick and see. I got them tight as freak, well not too tight, but it was hard to get these mugs off of here, bro. Cause the tire shop, I got all my tires balanced, they lug nutted the shit out of this stuff, man. But anyway, there you go. Well, JJLEE squad, this is the second back wheel. And the difference is really good. Let me show y'all the back wheel real quick. There you go. Both on perfect, it fits, the lug nut's not too big. Look at the difference, y'all. Look at that. Look how far the wheel is sticking out from right there. Y'all wait till I set it down, bro. I think the reason that wheel was so hard to get off because I got a new tire on that wheel. And I also got all the tires balanced. So, but there you go. Quick look. Screwing all of these really tight. Get the wheel, put it on these. Get the regular lug nuts, there you go, and you're done. That's pretty much it. I think I was gonna just do the back, but I guess I might as well do the front since I'm out here. But yeah, I'll show y'all the difference when I get back. Well, JJLEE squad was the side that everybody was asking about and I needed to do. Here's the front driver's side with the biggest gap. Got the bolts loose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what? Oh shit. I guess I could sit y'all back. So that right here. For right now. Ooh. Got these bolts real quick. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Alright, let me grab y'all real quick. There we go. Here is the spacer. Put it up all of the bolts real quick. And bam. There you go. Unscrew these. I'm gonna unscrew one of them real quick. Oh shoot, almost dropped it. Put them over the factory lug nuts. Remember, always screw in your lug. See how it fits over the hub? That's good. So the spacer got protection when your wheel gets onto the spacer. It also has protection as well. So here you go. Remember, and also screw in your lug nut. Well, hand thread your lug nut to the point where you can't reach it no more, or you know, it got no space. Watched a couple videos, they said if a lug nut does not screw in 6 turns at least, don't put it on there. There you go. This video is gonna be in so many parts, bro. But let me show you about the fender flares real quick. See, screw right there. It's like a rivet, goes in right there. Screw right there. Push that in. There you go. I had to take off the rock guards because, you know, it's better. But yep, there you go. Still on here tight. No complaints. Alright. And the next video will be a completed 25mm spacer installment on the wide body challenge. Alrighty. We'll catch y'all later and I will be back. Real quick, just at least while I got this side done, I want to show y'all the difference real quick when I set it down between this front and this one over here. I know y'all can already tell the difference because look, you can barely see the wheel right there. Looking over here, it pokes out more. So let me go ahead and let down this jack real quick. Oh lordy. And it's not even that difficult, honestly. Here you go. They said it would be helpful if you had somebody press the brake pad for the front. But I just held on to the rotor pretty hard with my legs, and I got all those tight, like really tight. Not too tight to the point I can't get them off, but you know, tight. Oh boy, there I go. Looking at both sides, not bad, bro. What the freak? Look at that, bro. You do? Oh my god, bro. I'm hyped. It looks perfect now. Look at that. Look, come over here. Look at this. And that's just 25mm. Come over here. Bam. Look how much it pushed it out. There go the spacers right in there. They are tight. I'm gonna tighten this wheel again. Then I'll show y'all a completed look real quick. But it's alright. It's looking 10 times better, bro. 10 times better. But there we go. Look at that, bro. Look at that. And then compared to the other one, I'm going again. And look at that. Bam. Alright, now this should be the last video until it's fully complete. Well, JJLEE squad, there you go. Look how different it's standing, bro. That looks perfect. Look at that. And gap is gone, bro. Only thing I need to do is maybe lower it a little bit. But what y'all think? It looks flush, it looks good. We got back wheel, bro. That's good too. Look at that side profile, bro. That looks sweet. Yeah, side profile. There you go. What y'all think, bro? It looks perfect. You got no problems with it? I'm gonna take it on a quick test drive. You know, to test the spaces real quick. They sitting flush. Perfect. What? I'm gonna test these mugs out real quick. Copyright. Copyright. Alright, let me flush it out. Make sure. It's just a quick little test drive. I'm just go around where I live real quick. Cause other than that, man, I'm happy with how it looks, y'all. Like, it looks perfect. I'm pretty happy. It's not out too far, but it's out to the point of where it's noticeable. It's not, you know, a hovercraft or it's getting hidden by the wheel. Yeah, if that makes sense. But, alrighty, here we go. I'm gonna test it out real quick. I'm gonna test out the turning, then I'll come back and park real quick. Come out and park and turn the wheel like that, just in case to make sure it's not hitting the fender or nothing. Ooh, shit. Okay, no issues, no issues. Sitting good, I'm feeling good. Also, I just got the tires balanced, like I said before. It's feeling real good, bro. Real good, y'all. Update the picture. But anyway, yeah, the wide body project is coming together pretty good, and I only spent, I would say about 400. About 400 in total. So it's not too bad, bro. It is not too bad at all. Go over these bumps real quick. Oh, yep. I felt that. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna have to watch out because it looks like it's hitting. I gotta watch these bumps. I felt it rub a little bit. I'm gonna do a U-turn. Well, I didn't feel it. I heard it. But shoot, let us see real quick. Do a quick turn. Look at my butt turn around there. But yeah, it's not too bad. I can deal with that. I just gotta be a little mindful of how I drive, cause that ain't too hard to do. That is not too hard to do, man. Go ahead and go. You gonna go or what? It's flush. Dang. Take this turn real quickie. Ooh. Yeah, it's not doing too bad. I guess those are just some good dips in a row. Cause other than that, y'all, it's sitting really good. I don't see no issues with it or nothing. I'll go over this little lump real quick. Okay, nothing. It's feeling good, man. Except for that little dumper you dip. You gotta watch how you dip. But shoot, hey man. Now I ain't, you know, as my friend called it, you ain't hovering around. Cause they called my Challenger a hovercraft because I didn't have no spaces and my wheel gap was too big, y'all. Like for real. Anyway, man, here's a quick drive real quick, man. I'm gonna go back, pull in the driveway, And then I'm gonna turn the wheels all one way to let y'all see, you know, the clearance I got and stuff like that. All right, I'm back, JJLEE squad. But yeah, it just rubbed a little bit right there. That's all. But so far, I don't see nothing wrong inside. Space is good. Got the wheel turned all the way. Space is looking good. Didn't rub nowhere here. That's the clearance I got on that side. Sitting pretty. Here on this side. Look at that, it's kind of close. Turning, but you know, it's perfect, it's flush. Ain't got nothing to worry about. Except, you know, not going Dukes of Hazzard on shit, but it's perfect. Going around. There you go. Quick look in the back. Yeah, it was a tiny bit of rubbish, but that's alright. It's good. I'm happy. There you go. True wide body stats, bro. True wide body stats now. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, JJLEE squad. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. And, you know, take it easy. I got more videos coming, especially for the channel. Maybe put in a few reaction videos. But there y'all go. Hope y'all liked it. And there y'all go. I'll catch y'all later. Remember to follow me on Instagram. Like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and I will catch y'all later. Hey, bro. Hey.